Your epic outdoor adventures deserve equally epic footage, and the good news is, capturing it doesn't have to break the bank. Action cameras are built to take your videos to the next level, far beyond what your smartphone can handle. Think 4K or higher resolution, waterproofing, and shock resistance, all in a compact package. The best models also feature wide-angle lenses for stunning perspectives and long-lasting batteries to keep up with your adventures. In this video, we will break down the best action cameras of 2025, breaking down their standout features and more. You might also find some surprises for you, so make sure to watch till the end to catch them. Now, let's get started. Number 6. Akaso Brave 8 Lite Review. If you're after a solid action camera on a budget, the Akaso Brave 8 Lite is a fantastic choice. It combines affordability with key features that make it a great entry-level option for casual adventurers or vloggers. At just 114 grams, this compact and lightweight camera is easy to carry around, whether you're hiking, biking, or traveling. The standout feature? Dual screens. A front-facing display perfect for selfies or vlogging, and a rear touchscreen for easy navigation. It's rare to find this functionality in a budget-friendly model. Video performance is solid in good lighting, offering 4K at 60 frames per second, 2.7K at 120 frames per second, and 1080p at 120 frames per second, providing versatility for different shooting scenarios. The 20-megapixel stills resolution is another plus, capturing sharp photos during your adventures. And with a battery life of 150 minutes, you won't need to worry about constant recharging. However, it's not without flaws. Low light performance is disappointing, with noticeable noise and reduced clarity. Additionally, the plastic construction feels less durable compared to premium models, and the image stabilization struggles with shaky footage. If you're on a tight budget and want a camera with solid features for casual use, the Akaso Brave 8 Lite is a value-packed option. Just avoid low light or high motion scenarios for the best results. Number 5. OM System Tough TG7. Rugged, reliable, and ready for action, the OM System Tough TG7 is designed for adventurers who need a camera that can handle anything. Its waterproof build IPX8 lets you dive up to 15 meters without a case, while its shockproof and freeze-proof design makes it perfect for outdoor use in extreme conditions. The 4K video at 30 frames per second provides solid video quality, and the additional slow-motion modes, like 1080p at 120 FPS, let you capture dynamic action shots. While its 12-megapixel stills might not rival high-end smartphones, the camera shines with versatile modes like underwater and macro photography, giving you creative options in any setting. Weighing just 253 grams, the TG7 is lightweight and portable, making it a great companion for hiking, camping, or family outings. Its 110-minute battery life is decent for a compact camera, keeping you covered for most trips. Where it falls short is the non-touch screen LCD, which feels outdated and limits quick navigation. Additionally, its image quality lags behind smartphones when it comes to sharpness and detail. But here's the surprise. There is a $50 discount now at Amazon US. So for adventurers needing a tough, no-nonsense camera, the TG7 delivers excellent durability and versatility. It's not about perfection. It's about being there when you need it most. Number 4. Insta360 X4. When it comes to capturing stunning 360-degree footage, the Insta360 X4 stands out as a top-tier option. Its ability to shoot 8K spherical video at 30 frames per second ensures every angle of your adventure is covered in crystal-clear detail, making it perfect for immersive content. The X4 doesn't stop at 360 video, with 4K single lens shooting up to 60 frames per second, a 100 frames per second slow motion mode, and waterproofing up to 10 meters. It's incredibly versatile. Whether you're creating cinematic shots or vlogs, this camera adapts to your needs. The 72-megapixel stills resolution also delivers vibrant photos, ensuring every moment is captured with precision. Battery life is a highlight, with its 2,290 mAh battery providing ample runtime for extended extended shoots. At 203 grams, it's lightweight and portable, making it ideal for outdoor enthusiasts and creators on the move. However, there are some trade-offs. Low light performance is only average, and the stitch line in 360 footage can occasionally be noticeable. Plus, the large 8K files demand significant storage space and processing power, which might be a challenge for some. Overall, for anyone serious about 360 content or looking for a camera that offers exceptional versatility, the Insta360 X4 is a fantastic choice. Just make sure your hardware can handle its high-resolution output. Number 3. DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro. It is a rugged and versatile action camera designed for those who need reliability in extreme conditions. Weighing only 146 grams, it's compact yet durable, with waterproofing up to 20 meters and freeze-proof construction, making it perfect for underwater dives or freezing mountain adventures. Video performance is a major highlight. The camera records 4K video at up to 120 frames per second, delivering smooth and detailed footage. For slow-motion enthusiasts, it offers 2.7K at 120 frames per second and 1080p at 240 frames per second, giving you plenty of creative options. The 10-megapixel stills resolution is solid for capturing quick photos, although it may not satisfy professional photographers. Powered by a 1770 mAh battery, the Action 5 Pro runs for up to 4 hours, which is a standout feature in its class. Where it falls short is resolution. The 4K cap on video might not appeal to those looking for higher-end 6K or 8K footage. Additionally, while the Super Night mode is an improvement over competitors, it still struggles in low-light environments, producing grainy results. One unique advantage is its compatibility with the DJI Mic 2, perfect for vloggers or voiceovers. Overall, the Osmo Action 5 Pro is an excellent choice for adventurers seeking durability, versatility, and solid performance, though it's not the best for low-light or ultra-high-resolution needs. Number 2. Insta360 Ace Pro 2. It is a premium action camera designed for creators who demand the best. Weighing just 177.2 grams, it's lightweight yet rugged, and with waterproofing up to 12 meters, it's ready for any adventure. What sets it apart is its ability to record 8K video at 30 frames per second, offering unparalleled resolution for capturing every detail. If 8K is too much, the 4K at 60 frames per second and 1080p at 240 frames per second options provide versatility for high-quality, slow-motion content. For photographers, the 50-megapixel stills resolution ensures stunning, detailed images. The low-light performance is particularly impressive, making it a great choice for shooting in dim environments. The camera's 1800 mAh battery provides solid endurance, giving you ample time to capture your adventures. However, it's not perfect. 8K recording can cause the camera to overheat during extended use, and the mode lacks advanced stabilization and full-color profile support. The flip-up screen is convenient for vlogging, but can feel awkward when switching between front and rear recording. Overall, the Insta360 Ace Pro 2 is a fantastic choice for anyone looking for a premium, all-rounder action camera. It excels in delivering high-resolution content and performs well in various conditions, but it's best suited for those who can work around its minor limitations. Number 1. GoPro Hero 13 Black. If you're looking for the best all-rounder action camera, the GoPro Hero 13 Black is hard to beat. Weighing just 159 grams, it's lightweight yet durable, with waterproofing up to 10 meters, making it perfect for capturing adventures in any environment. If video quality is a priority, this camera delivers. With 5.3K video at 60 frames per second, the footage is incredibly detailed and cinematic. For smoother shots, it offers 4K at 120 frames per second, and for those dramatic slow-motion moments, 2.7K at 240 frames per second is a game changer. The 27-megapixel stills resolution ensures your photos are just as impressive, capturing every detail with clarity. If battery life matters to you, the 1900 mAh battery has been improved, lasting longer than previous models for extended shoots. Filmmakers will love the support for lens mods and ND filters, allowing for more creative flexibility, and the new color profiles make your videos pop with vibrant tones. problems. If there's a downside, it's the unchanged sensor and resolution, which feel dated compared to competitors. Plus, low light performance isn't its strongest suit, and processing slow-motion clips can be time-consuming. If you want a reliable, feature-packed camera for most shooting scenarios, the GoPro Hero 13 Black is a stellar choice for adventurers and creators alike. And that's it for today's review, folks. Now it's your turn. Are you on the hunt for an action camera to capture thrilling sports moments or to document the bustling city hustle? Let me know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more honest reviews and recommendations. Until next time, happy filming.